Welcome to the moemanga, or bedroom. Let's take a look around. This is the moenga, or bed. Paraikete is blanket, and pira is pillow. Next to the bed is the hauto taha, or bedside table. And on it is the rama, lamp, and aho hiko, or charger. I also enjoy reading books, and this is the whata puka puka, or bookshelf, which is next to the hauto, or drawers. It's a bit chilly here at the moment, so I have my heater, or heater. It's best to have the heater on when I watch my favourite show, Speak Māori, of course, before I go to bed. This is the Ataakura's favourite item, the mira, or mirror. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Those are the kākahu paru, or dirty clothes, laundry. I better get on to cleaning them. Haere rā, bye for now.